What?
Shark.
Shark?
Yeah. Shark, oh.
Ooh. Shit. Owl. Wow.
So what's up mga people? Joke lang. So dito nga pala bago kami mag-umpisa kami ng fishing trip. Bali kinukuha ko muna yung bayad para ma-secure ko yung pambayad sa bangka, tsaka alam mo na, palagi kasi tayo ini-enjoy ng mga guest natin.
Morning.
Kaya natuto na din ako kaya
Hey brother.
ayun,
Good
para
morning.
matuloy na yung fishing
Made it.
trip.
Yes.
So kailangan magbayad sa akin ng down
Morning,
payment.
guys.
Yes, let's go!
Going fishing. With our guest from Germany. For this is Boracay, Bravo Island, undergoing the path of Guppy and Thumbprint.
Our friend thanks already like 60 minutes fighting here with the pomfret fish. I think pomfret or ruby, don't know, still not seeing yet, but I'm sure it will be pomfret fish. Welcome to our vlog. It's 50 meters times 6. So it's gonna be almost there, brother. Almost there. Oh, I see. It's coming. Yeah, it's trumpet. Come on, baby boy. Come on. Alright. One down. It's a big, huge one. It's a huge one. Up. Ini kan dyan? Dito mo bulo? Hindi mo na. Hindi wala mang. Sigurado. Dito moment bro. Hey brother, what can you say about your first fish?
What a fight.
What a fight. Strong one. So we gonna gout it. Okay. Yay, brother! Ready for sashimi and woo! 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 Unlock. Kapitan.
Seaboard duck.
Next trap, second trap in the pomfret spot. We have already one here. We call this fish Boss Atan, you know, because the eye is already popping out. So yeah, see the weather here, so perfect. Water is flat and the line is vertical. This is the angler's dream. If everyone want to go fishing, so it should be like this, vertical jigging. Second strike, brother. Ooh. Look at the rod, look at the bending of the rod. Ooh, it's biting. Peek, 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 peek. I'm sure it's gonna be 2 or 3 fish. Yeah. The brother almost there. Oh, I see the fish over there. One. Over there. See the color. Hey. 1, 2, 3. It's a 3, brother.
What?
3 fish.
Tatlo?
Yeah. Yes, over there.
Tatlo yun.
Alright. Pamphlet is coming to town. 1, 2, 3. Hey. 3 fish in a row.
Wow.
Wow. 1, 2, 3. Alright. 2. Yeah. 1. Brother. Alright. Shit. Brother. Sit down here, brother. I'm gonna take you a picture. Okay, we're here.
On?
Fish on, brother. Yeah. Woohoo. Fish on. So dito nagpapalit ako, sobrang sakit na ng likod ko dyan eh. Kaya yung crew muna namin ng bangka yung pinahila ko. Tapos ito yung nangyari.
Oh, bahul. Bahul yun. Pating?
What?
Shark!
Shark?
Yeah.
Shark, oh.
Pating!
Shit.
Bahul. Wow, it's big. Wow.
Big shark.
Fuck.
Whew.
Wag daw eh.
Woohoo! It's a shark, mother. Seen?
Big shark.
Woo.
Sakyo.
Oh, he is the one biting it.
Yes, it
Oh.
was, huh? But not him, right?
It's a tiger shark, brother.
Oh, yes, okay.
Wow, you see the bite of the shark?
Shit.
Ooh. Ooh. Hey, told you there's not shark here.
Ano?
I love swimming here.
You
Usually.
left swimming here?
Yeah.
Not anymore?
Oh, I see him over there in the bottom. That one. Hindi pa tayo ng spot, guys. May pating. Ano, Kap? Pating. What do you think, bro? You gonna go back?
Yeah. I'd say so. What do you think?
I think yeah.
Alam ko pong di maganda yung katawan ko. So, pasensya na ako. Nakaubat ako. May init kasi. Sobrang init. Talaga ng araw na yan.
Touch the
Walang kahinahin halos. Basta pa yung damit ko.
Our brother from Germany got an experience to have fishing with us. Hey, bro, Benny. Say hi there.
Hey.
Yeah. So it's gonna go back to Boracay.